Hey candy kings and queens, welcome back. So in today's episode I'm going to teach you guys how I make rock candy or crack candy as they call it. First you're going to need your Karo syrup, a measuring cup for 1 cup, a spatula, and double-sided. You'll also need a candy thermometer. Also, I already have all my fruit chopped down, so that's good. Toothpicks so that you can mix and so that you can add in your flavor, add some flavoring, add in your color. I'm going to choose green today. Hopefully I can get it right. Go ahead, crunch down your candies so they'll be ready. These are Jolly Ranchers in this case because they are awesome. Oh, and by the way, I'm using cotton candy flavor. Yeah, I didn't have a utensil to knock it down with, so I used the nearest thing, and that was, yeah, a tool. Anyway, so yeah, get it crunched up to your liking. Add in 2 cups of sugar. Yeah, get in there, sugar. It's taking all day, but yes, you add in your sugar. 2 cups. Oh, a little more. Okay, now we'll add both of those to our pan. That's 1 cup and 2 cups. My sugar was acting so slow for some reason. I don't know why, but you get the drift. Yeah, just speed it up. Add these 2 cups in. Oh, and what I forgot to mention was you're also going to need a half a cup measurer. So make sure you get a half a cup, okay, so that you can measure out your Karo syrup. Go ahead and pour that right on in there. And again, that's a half a cup. Pour that right on in. Get your spatula, and you want to mix everything together. Make sure you get all of that Karo syrup out of it. Once you get all of the Karo syrup, you need 1/2 cup of water, so you can use the same one that you use for the Karo. And let's go ahead and pour that in. And we want to make sure that we mix everything all together completely, and just mix it all the way down till it looks like everything is pretty much well blended. Okay, no chunks are staying in the mixture. Then you want to go ahead and take it over to the pot, and as you can see, I already removed it from the stove. You want to let it get to 280 290 degrees, and baby, you are ready to dip. Okay, so you get the drift from here. Just add your flavoring, and it is gonna pop a little. Don't be scared. It's okay. Just be careful. Okay. Go ahead and add my white food coloring, which is gonna help my green to pop. Hopefully, for some reason I didn't have a lot in there. It was stuck. It's like not acting right for me, but that's okay. We're gonna work with it. We're gonna make it do what it do. Okay. So yes, I'm gonna stir that in real good and try to get all the white little chunks out of it and add in my coloring. Yeah, just like that. Mix it up good. Oh, look how pretty that is. Yes, I just hope that my fruit turn out this pretty. Okay, so I wouldn't reheat it a little bit more just so it can be ready because it kind of cooled down a little bit. But nonetheless, let's get the dip in. Look at that dip though. Mm-hmm. All right, and then you want to just lay them out on the parchment paper and continue until you've completed all the fruit. Go ahead and grab you some of the Jolly Rancher candies and sprinkle a little on top, and voila, look at that. How pretty. Oh, and it's so yummy. It's gonna be so good. And as you can see, I'm just gonna continue with the process, dipping each and every last one of the fruits. I tried to experiment a little, so that's why you see the variety of fruit. So it's like a fruit platter, and it's going to be amazing. Look at that pineapple. Oh yeah, crunchies, baby. I got those tiny blueberries. Yeah, tiny. Oh, and I even tried some bananas, you guys. So I can't wait to see. So now that everything's done, just it's all cooled and set. So pull everything off, put it on a cute little plate, eat up. Yum, yum, yum. Listen to the crunchies though. ASMR.